Hey, today I'm going to show you how to use your PowerBeats Pro with your Peloton. We're going to figure out how to do that right after this intro. Hey, one quick note before we start. I am a Twitch streamer. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern time. You can find my link right here at the bottom of this video. Stop by, say hey. If you found me from this Peloton video, stop by and say hey if you're one of those people that rides Peloton and watches Twitch just like me. Okay, enough about all that. The whole reason I'm making this video is because with the PowerBeats, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a button right here. With any non-Apple product, you're supposed to be able to hold this button for a few seconds and your PowerBeats case or whatever will go into a pairing mode. That was not working for me. I was putting it in pairing mode. I looked that up. I know I was doing that correctly. The Peloton was looking for Bluetooth devices, but it would never see my PowerBeats. So after looking on YouTube, I kind of stumbled into a way to get on an internet browser, and we'll see what we have to do. This is what I had to do. Maybe you can just press the button and you're good to go. I have no clue, but if not, check out what we do next and see if that helps you. And if it does, comment below, like the video, let me know. Let me know if it worked for you. Maybe I'm just dumb. It's very possible. So here we go. Start by getting your Peloton powered up into the home screen. Also double check to make sure you have the latest software update. In the top right corner, go to settings and then device settings. Then you're going to look for About Tablet. Then the third from the top is Legal Information. Click on that. And then go to the second option, System Web View Licenses. This will give you a link where you can go to an internet browser. Just hit any of those links that say Homepage. It'll bring up a web browser. Type in the URL bar. Just go to google.com. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in Play Store. I'd already had it typed in previously, so I could go to it quickly there. Make sure you go past all the ads and go to the Google Play Store, the official link. So right here, the Google Play Store may prompt you to log in with your Google Play credentials. I'm not really sure how it went for me, but it's pretty straightforward, so I didn't log out and go through all that. Either way, before you hit install in the next step we're about to see, it should prompt you there if nothing else. But you can always go to the top right and try to log in before you even search anything. Once you log in, go to search and search Beats. Pull the keyboard back down. It should be the first item you see there in the left side. It says Beats by Apple Inc. Click on that. Right now mine says installed, the green button right there. Yours should say install. I'm gonna go ahead and click that because it's important that once you go in here, you make sure that your Peloton is selected, though. Something like 1+ is what mine says. Then you're just going to hit install once you've confirmed that that's the correct device you want to install that on. So like I said, I've already installed mine. After I did this the first time, I noticed that my Bluetooth headphones were not connecting, my PowerBeats. So I went to apps and I looked around and I did not see the Beats app that I had just installed. You can see here I still don't have it. If you back out and go to storage, I looked in there. There's another app section in there. I thought maybe it's in here. There were a few other things I think, but as you can see, there's no Beats application installed here. After I did this procedure twice though, where I went to the Google Play Store and then I backed back out, finally, after the second time, my PowerBeats were able to connect. I was able to connect those, pretty easily. So as you can see right now, my PowerBeats are labeled there. If I click on them, they will connect. And there you go. PowerBeats are connected. So hopefully now, either using the pairing method with the button or using my method, you can use your PowerBeats Pro with your Peloton. Let me know below, and don't forget to like the video. You may need to restart your Peloton screen. Just hold the button on the back to turn it off and then power back up. Maybe that's all it'll need. I think mine just needed a few minutes to get it all installed. I don't know how fast this tablet is, but I'm sure there's a lot of programming in it to run the Peloton software. So maybe it's just a little bit slower on the download and install side. So be a little patient with it, play around with it for a few minutes. And hey, I hope you have a great ride and we'll see you later.